What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through one of the core skills every plumber needs: how to solder copper pipe. Whether you're fresh out of the classroom or on your first job site, by the end of this video you have the confidence and know-how to make leak-free joints like a pro. First up, safety. Always wear gloves, safety glasses, and if you're up against a piece of drywall, wood, whatever it is that you think you can burn, use a fire retardant cloth, use a piece of metal, something that's going to keep you from damaging someone else's property. Next, you're going to use some sandcloth and a fitting brush. Clean the outside of your pipe and clean the inside of your fitting. You're going to want to make it shine. This ensures the perfect bond. Now grab your flux. Apply a thin layer on the outside of the pipe and on the inside of the fitting. Flux stops oxidation during the heating process. Can anyone name the process by which solder is drawn into the joint? Comment below. Grab a damp cloth and clean up any excess flux. Leftover flux can corrode the copper pipe over time if it's not cleaned up properly. So let's compare. See they got a little low here, and there's some bubbles in there and maybe little gaps, but first time soldering, not too bad. You go to should be a nice shiny bead all the way around. That's probably my best one that I've ever done. And it's just for you. And that's how you solder copper pipe. Pro tip: if you're trying to solder on the vertical, after you clean your pipe and you prep and flux your pipe and your fittings, after you put the heat on it, the flux is going to want to run down the pipe. Turn off your heat, grab a rag and wipe the streaks of flux off that are running down the pipe. Because remember, the solder is going to follow that flux and it will follow it down the pipe and make the pipe look like a mess. So prep, heat, flux, solder, and clean it up. 5 simple steps, professional results. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for our daily plumbing tips and real-world job site lessons. Have questions or want me to cover another core skill? Drop it in the comments below. I'll see you next time on Plumbing with Tim.